Hey there. Welcome to Frugal Insights. Today, we're talking about credit scores. You might have heard about them, but do you really know what they're all about? Let's explore. What is a credit score? So, what is a credit score? Simply put, it's a number that shows lenders how well you manage your debt. It's like a financial report card. A good score can open doors to better loan terms and lower interest rates. Why is credit score important? Your credit score is super important. It affects your ability to get loans, credit cards, and even apartments. A good score can save you money and give you more financial freedom. Let's make sure you're on the right track. How is credit score calculated? Okay, let's get nerdy for a sec. Your credit score is calculated based on payment history. Did you pay on time? Credit utilization. How much credit are you using? Length of credit history. How long have you had credit? Credit mix. What types of credit do you have? New credit. Have you opened new accounts recently? Don't worry. You don't need to be a math whiz to understand it. Tips for improving your credit score. Here are some easy tips to boost your credit score. Pay your bills on time every time. Keep credit utilization below 30%. Monitor your credit report for errors. Don't open too many new credit accounts. Pay down debt strategically. Follow these tips, and you'll be on your way to a great credit score. That's it. Credit Score 101 in a nutshell. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching Frugal Insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks.